What were your thoughts during this time?
My thought, you have to be safe. आप सब अपने अपने घर में सेफ रहिए और अपने पेरेंट्स एंड पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी की गाइडलाइंस को फॉलो कीजिए.
When you heard about the coronavirus, were you scared or were you calm?
I was scared, but मेरे पेरेंट्स ने सिचुएशन के बारे में समझाया और कहा कि काम. I thought हमारे पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी सब कुछ हैंडल कर लेंगे और nothing will happen to us.
How did you handle this situation?
I followed my parents and respected PM Modi ji.
Who helped you to handle it?
मेरे पेरेंट्स ने इस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने में मेरी मदद की.
How are you feeling when there is no school and finally such a long vacation?
I am little bored because मुझे स्कूल जाना बहुत 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 पसंद है and miss you school and miss you teacher and miss you friends.
What do you think about the future? क्या ये चीजें फिर से हो सकती है? If yes, how will you handle it?
Yes, ऐसा फ्यूचर में फिर से हो सकता है, बट वी विल, हम लोग जैसा भी हैंडल कर रहे हैं उससे भी बढ़िया हम उस समय हैंडल करेंगे और वी विल ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर इट.
Okay, thank you.
Last year I had learned how to wash hands, so today I am going to share it with you. Washing our hands properly is very important. If you will not wash your hands properly, germs will remain in your hands and make you sick. To wash your hands properly, there are 7 steps. First, take a drop of hand wash. Only 1 drop is sufficient. Take some water and rub your palm, back of your hand, both right and left. Between your fingers, both right and left. Tip of your fingers, both right and left. Rub your thumb, both right and left. Rub your wrist, both right and left. Always clean your hand for at least 20 seconds. Wash your hands with water. Now, the last and the most important step. Dry the hands with a clean towel. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Today I am going to teach you how to wear mask. Mask must be worn properly, otherwise they will be of no use. Always remember to sanitize your hands before wearing a mask. I have already sanitized my hands. Always keep the white part of the mask inside and blue outside. You will find a small metal piece. The metal piece will always be on the top. Now, first of all, place the metal piece on your nose and give it the shape of the nose so that there is no space for air to enter. Then tie the mask. Now pull the lower part of the mask to your chin. While removing the mask, not remove it directly from front. Always remove it by untying the knot. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Today I am going
going to teach you how to sanitize things properly. Before I start, I want to tell you about sanitizer first. Nowadays, there are various types of sanitizers available in market. It is very difficult to choose which sanitizer is more useful. According to WHO, sanitizer with 75% alcohol is the best sanitizer. Now here are the steps to sanitize things. First, take a tissue paper. Second, pour some sanitizer on it. Third, clean the thing which you want to sanitize. After sanitizing it, throw away the tissue paper in dustbin. Remember to not touch the sanitized thing again for next 5 minutes as it takes the sanitizer to settle. Now wash your hands. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
I am going to tell you a proper way of social distancing. While social distancing, always wear mask. If you will not wear mask, there is high risk to getting infected first. Stand a list of 1 meter distance of and to anybody. So, do not shake hand while meeting someone, or avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth and ears. Whenever you will going out, so open your doors using your elbow and legs. Thank you.
About behavior with COVID-19 peoples.
What do you believe, Amna?
I believe in social distancing but not social boycotting. हमें उन लोगों को समाज से दूर नहीं भगाना है, उनसे उचित दूरी बनाए रखना है तब तक कि वो ठीक ना हो जाए। और साथ साथ हमें अपना भी ख्याल रखना है। वी शुड मेंटेन प्रॉपर हाइजीन विद वॉशिंग हैंड्स विद सोप एंड वाटर। अगर हमारे पास सोप नहीं हो तो हम हैंड सैनिटाइजर से भी हैंड क्लीन कर सकते हैं। बाहर जाते वक्त हमें फेस मास्क लगाना है। अगर हम अपना ख्याल रखेंगे तभी हम कोविड-19 को दुनिया से बाहर भगा सकेंगे। थैंक यू।
School. When this COVID-19 completely recover in the country, then also we take proper precaution. We have to learn what our elders teach to us, fight against such virus if it comes in future. We have to give special thanks to all the COVID-19 fighters such as police, medical staff and Indian Army for their hard work. Police help people in migrating from one state to another state with proper precaution. We have to give special thanks to medical staff because they are with our family, not with their family in COVID-19. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Today I am going to share with you some information about positive effects of coronavirus, such as less pollution in metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore, etc. You know, rivers and seas are less polluted and fishes are surviving freely and are not dying. These days, we are having fresh air to breathe. According to a survey, in last 10 years, we are having the most fresh air to breathe. क्या आपको पता है दुनिया में कोरोना संक्रमण फैलने के कारण हाथ मिलाने की परंपरा को लगा झटका और भारतीय संस्कृति में अभिवादन की परंपरा नमस्ते को मिला बढ़ावा। मानवता जागी, मदद के हाथ बढ़े और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के कारण हम सभी को अनुशासन में रहने की आदत पड़ी। फैमिली मेंबर्स आर स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद ईच अदर। Animals are not hunted by humans. People are doing yogas and exercises for their fitness. Global warming is decreasing at a very rapid rate. The live example of it is in front of us. Today the Earth's temperature is equal to the Earth's temperature 5 years ago. लॉकडाउन के कारण सड़क हादसे तो थमे ही हैं और क्राइम रेट में भी कमी है। After getting too much time, children are doing many activities at home. कोरोना संक्रमण के कारण हमें जल्दी और अच्छे से हाथ धोने की आदत पड़ी। So don't give a chance to any type of virus. To maintain the balance of our environment, our daily routine, maintain it by yourself. Be safe, be aware, be healthy. जय हिंद।